The journey of a country from being a developing country to a developed country is the one determined by a few important factors. And in this 1 minute, we will learn all about the factors affecting the growth of a country. The first factor is capital formation. Financial sector plays the role of an intermediary in mobilizing savings into investment. In case of India, the period from 2003 to 2008 witnessed highest ever growth in GDP since the savings were high. The second factor determining growth is the economic system. There are three types, namely capitalist system, where the ownership of resources belongs to a few private individuals, the socialist system, where the ownership of resources belongs to the state, and mixed economy, where there is a governmental control on resources, but all the resources are equally available to the private sector as well. The third factor determining growth is the economic policy. For example, policies in favor of small industries, in favor of agriculture sector, monetary policy, fiscal policy, etc. The fourth and the final factor determining growth is the structure of the economy. Depending on which phase of development an economy is, its capital structure may be labor intensive or capital intensive. Using these four factors, we can analyze any economy in the world and understand their growth.